Hi everybody, this is Professor Sanchez, and I want to go over the Essay 1 assignment with you so you have a clearer idea of what to expect. This is your first paper in the class, so it's a big part of your grade, so I know that you want to do well. So the purpose of this assignment, along with the other papers we'll write in this class, is that you go beyond just reading for understanding, and you start to analyze what you're reading, as well as find the ability to communicate your analysis to the reader in a clear, concise, measured way. So that's the goal for this paper. Go beyond just reading for comprehension and analyze, and then communicate that analysis in a clear way. These are the things that I want to see you understand in the assignment under knowledge and skills. So I want to see that you read and understood the literary text or texts, that you understand the meaning of literary devices and can identify where they appear, that you're able to use direct quotations accurately and ethically, so that you do include a parenthetical, that you include the source that you're using, which is whatever reading you're choosing to use for this paper, and that you can sort of incorporate them smoothly into your writing. This is a short paper, so I'm looking for, can you be concise and clear and detailed, yet really focused on your topic because it is a shorter paper? And can you format your paper correctly? And then also keep grammatical errors low so that they're not distracting from understanding of the reading. So here are the tasks that you need to do. You need to choose one topic from the two below. So one is on theme in The Dream of the Rood, and the other is imagery in Beowulf, imagery that relates to a good leader. So there's some information if you choose topic 1, here's some things to think about. If you choose topic 2, here are some things to think about. Then when you're ready to write your paper, you're going to write, identify the keywords in your topic. So that would be like the author in the text, the literary device, strong verbs. And then you're going to begin your paper with a thesis statement. So the thesis statement should include the keywords, it should be one sentence, and it should be clear and specific. After that, you'll choose at least 4 quotations from the reading that will support your thesis statement. So if you're talking about images, you want to pick 4 quotations that have images in them. And then at that point, you'll submit your informal outline. So that's it for this week. You'll just submit that outline. The outline is only your thesis statement and 4 quotations that connect to it. After you're done with that, you'll write the essay, making sure that you document and integrate those quotations within it, analyzing each one as it relates to your thesis. And we're aiming for a paper that's 2 to 2.5 pages, so not too long, but that can also present a challenge in making sure that you have a well-developed, concise essay that goes into enough detail while not having as much length to be wordy and overwrite it. Then you're going to make sure you have that works cited page at the end, make sure everything's formatted and edited, and after that, next week, the end of next week, that's when you'll submit your paper on Canvas. Let me just go really quickly to the outline assignment. So that's here. So you're submitting an informal outline that has a thesis statement and 4 quotations. Okay, so that's it for this week. I'll take a look at it. And then next week, you'll see that's when you will submit essay 1 for a grade. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good one.